Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect OnePlus earbuds to any Android phone. Here you are seeing OnePlus earbuds. You will see one button near the charging port. Okay, see here, this is the button. You go to long press this button after opening this box. Okay, first open the box and then long press on this button. Just you go to long press on this button and white color light will be blinking in the front side of the box. Okay, then you will receive this signal in your phone. Okay, then just click on it. Here you go to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Okay, then only it will be showing, and yes, it is paired now. Okay, now if you play anything on the on your phone, that will be uh, played in your yeah, earbuds. Okay, see here, I play this and no audio is now uh, no audio is coming outside of the phone, and audio is in the earbuds. Okay, now you can hear the sound in earbuds. Okay, so in this way you can easily connect OnePlus earbuds to any Android phone. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.